Look at the size of that fucker, eh? So yep, there's definitely crayfish over here. This is just in a stream. It's got a claw missing, so they're the cannibal as well. Been fighting, haven't they? That's an old boy, that is. Look at that. Crayfish, that's a proper old boy. Dirty old thing, I don't think I'd want to eat that. You can see, look, it's in a sort of gutter bit that goes from one stream to another. Look, it's only got one claw. Ooh, look at this thing. Got to be everywhere over here, haven't they? I think if I caught that one, I'd put it back. It's an old boy. He's just creeping about, eating what he can. There's little tiny fish in here though, loads of them. Go on, old boy. I'll let that, leave it in peace. I'm back.